Yo, well, today, we're going to do a reaction. Na I don't actually have any idea kung anong meron, no? So, we are going to react to Waze, Pure Gold Sari Sari Store. I mean, a lot of my friends is actually aware na, we're doing a reaction channel sa YouTube. And they've been requesting a lot of things since before. Na mag-react ako sa ganito. May mga malulupit na bagay silang nakikita, pinapareact nila sa akin. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm so blind with this Waze. Pure Gold. I mean, Pure Gold Sari Sari Store makes sense ba? Pure Gold, tindahan ni Aling Puring. But Waze? Anyway, let's get it.
Minsan, mahirap mahanap ang isang bagong lugar. May mga kalye kasing walang pangalan.
Wait, Waze? Like the Waze app? What is it? Like a collaboration with Pure Gold and Waze? Ganon? Magkakaroon ba ng parang landmark pag may Pure Gold na ganon ba?
Minsan, mahirap mahanap ang isang bagong lugar. May mga kalye kasing walang pangalan. Mga bahay na magkakatabi pero hindi sunod-sunod ang numero. Sanga-sangang eskinita.
May mga bahay kasi na ang numero nila yung block numberless kaharapan. Kaya parang dito. Tapos yung kasunod niya is dito. Yung guess yung sinasabi ko, hindi sila magkakatabi. Kaharapan minsan.
Pasilyo.
I mean, I don't know sa iba, pero kasi ganoon yung sa namin sa Imus dati, sa Silias.
Sunod ang numero. Sanga-sangang eskinita, pasilyo, dead end, phase 1, phase 2, nakakaligaw, nakakalito. Ang sagot? Magtanong sa pinakamalapit na tindahan. Gustong malaman kung saan nakatira yung magaling na manghihilot?
Ito na yung noodles ko.
Ate, saan po ba dito nakatira yung magaling na manghihilot?
Uy, yung haba ng listahan nyo, ah. Continue straight. And then, keep right.
What's the Waze nga? Waze.
At the third corner, turn left.
Salamat po.
Oh, ano meron dito? Okay, I mean, the video is very entertaining. Naku, paano ginagawa to Waze? I don't have any idea yet kung anong kinalaman ng Waze sa Pure Gold. Kung anong ba't giting-ngiti si Kuya dito. But what the fuck is this? Ano meron dito?
Excuse me?
Hinahanap ang barangay hall?
Do you know where's Barangay Hall?
Barangay Hall?
At the roundabout, take the third exit. And then on the fourth corner, turn left. And then, turn right.
Wow, salamat po. Very marami.
Oh, ironic, no? Yung tindahan, tinanong mo English yung salita. Tapos yung foreign na nagtanong is Tagalog.
Delivery rider na nangangamote sa pinned location?
Like, what the fuck are we doing here? Anyway, what are we watching right now? Hanggang ngayon hindi pa nag-make sense sa akin kung anong kailangan ni Waze tsaka ni Pure Gold. Ni Waze tsaka ni Pure Gold. Why am I doing a blind reaction without any idea at all? Kasi usually, I usually react to something na meron akong idea but, hindi ko pa napapanood. So, I'll make sure na hindi ko pa siya napapanood so the reaction is genuine. But, I have to make sure na alam ko kung ano yung meron kasi mamaya baka, may mga guidelines sa YouTube, you don't want to react to something na ma-violate yung But this one, I fucking don't know what is happening here.
Lapit lang sa tindahan.
Okay.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Are you saying that? Wait.
Wow, salamat po. Very marami.
Delivery rider
Tapos si Stel Tony na pa.
nangangamote sa pinned location?
Nangangamote sa pin location.
Lapit lang sa tindahan. Saan to? At sasabihin sa'yo,
In 200 meters,
Oh,
turn left. After 3 corners, turn right. Doon ka.
Dun ba?
So that's the reason why. So that's the reason why. I see. Okay.
Right. Doon ka.
Dun ba?
ganyan ang tindahan. Kilala ang bawat kapitbahay, kabisado ang bawat sulok ng barangay.
Hey.
At syempre, kung may bibiling madaliing kailangan, lapit lang sa tindahan. Kasi dito,
You have reached your destination.
Kahit sa direksyon ka madalhin ng buhay, mas may tindahang madadaanan at handang umalalay. So that's the reason why they... Okay. Yan yung gusto lang ibigay na meaning doon. Isang pasasalamat sa lahat ng owners ng sari-sari store, mga karinderya, bakery, canteen, minimart at iba pa sa buong Pilipinas. Nice! So, diba, parang alternative ng Waze. Kasi yung Waze application, hindi naman talaga niya mapipinpoint yung mismong, I mean, you can see the pin location on the map, right? But sometimes, pag napunta ka sa lugar na to, parang yung daan is komplikado, no? Parang doesn't make sense. Hindi nag-make sense yung mapa dun sa lugar. And alternative way talaga natin is magtanong sa tindahan, right? Tindahan talaga. So in your reason, and again, tindahan, mga sari-sari stores, and all of that is the usual, customer of Pure Gold. So okay, all right. So now it makes sense. And we have Stel as well, so now it really makes sense on reacting to this right now. Man, I'm fucking shook. So nasa thumbnail nga siya. That's the reason why sinabi nila sa akin na i-link ko lang, i-click ko lang yung link na sinend nila. Okay, search sa YouTube. Okay, alright, so that's the reason why. Alright, okay. Kasi sa thumbnail pala siya eh. Okay, well, I mean, that is Waze, no? By Pure Gold. I mean, that is a very creative commercial, no? Or advertisement galing sa Pure Gold. At the same time, nakakatuwa yung, yung pag-aano nila sa mga usual customer nila, which is tindahan and all of that. But yeah, I mean, we don't have anything to actually say to the video. Again, it's just a commercial. Aside from we nagulat naman tayo sa pagdating ni Stel doon, but man. Well, yeah, that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mag-react sa yung artist, singer, rapper, song. Nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it from today. In the next vid, you guys stay awesome and peace.